Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative.
Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican Barefoot rice and peas. So in here I have pig's tail and I have a salt beef. So I'm going to wash them with vinegar and lemon. So here I'm having some distilled white vinegar in my water, and I'm going to add my lemon.
Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah. Entertainment.
So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes in the vinegar. So I will allow this to scald just to get out some of the salt out of it, because pig's tail and salt beef is very salty. And I'm also scalding it with some spice. So I have a pimento seeds in here. Thank you so much again for your support, guys, and if you're new, please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell for my next upload. Thank you. About 1.5 cups of red Goya kidney beans.
Entertainment.
Garlic. I will be adding a pinch of salt, and I will allow the peas to boil. I am going to go ahead and transfer my peas into a bigger pot, guys, because I will be making a lot of this barefoot rice and peas. Now I will go ahead and start adding the meat to my pot. Here are my seasonings that I'm going to be using in my barefoot rice and peas. And this is my chopped onion right here, and this is one small onion. And I have my 2 Scotch bonnet peppers right here, and this is 1 small bell pepper chopped finely. Over here I have my spring onion chopped, and this is like 4 stars chopped finely, and this is my coconut milk, and I have my salt and black pepper right there. So let's get straight into it, guys. So here I just add my spring onions to the pot. Now I'm adding my onion. Now I will be adding my coconut milk. Pimento seed, and this is my thyme, followed by my all-purpose seasonings, ginger powder, paprika, and you can use whatever seasoning you have at home. Stir it in. Now I'm going to be adding a pinch of black pepper. Now I am going to taste it flavor before I add any salt to the pot. Okay, it's perfect. Butter. Now I'm going to go in with the rice. After adding the rice, you're gonna stir it properly to combine the peas with the rice and the meat. And to test your water level, as long as you're seeing the peas and the meat on top, then your water level is perfect. If you're not seeing the peas or the meat and your water level is above it, then you should just go ahead and take some of the water out of your pot. Alright, so I'm just going to cover this pot now and leave this to cook. salt beef. Jamaican barefoot rice and peas. Try it out, guys. Yummy, delicious. Try out this Jamaican barefoot rice and peas. So yummy, guys. Tastes so good. Very, very, very tasty and yummy Jamaican dish, guys. Try this dish out. If you're not a Jamaican, you need to try this out. You're gonna love it. Yes, make it for your families and friends. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you. Yes, guys, I'm gonna give some shout outs, and the first person that I want to shout out is my friend, my loving friend Cheryl Alastra. Yes, guys, check out her channel, show her some love, show her lots of love. She has a great channel. She will take you around into Macau. She will show you all the nice places. Check her out. Thank you. Next channel I want to shout out is my sister, Eat Good TV. Yes, guys, here comes Eat Good TV. Check her out, guys. Her channel is amazing. Check her out, show her lots of love, subscribe, give her all the support, guys. Thank you. And the next shout out is going to Irene Dowin. Yes, guys, check out Irene Dowin. Her channel is very relaxing and calming. Very nice channel. Check her out. Show her lots of love and support. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for your support. And to all my members, thank you guys so much for joining my membership. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. To everyone who comment and thumbs up and shared out, thank you guys so much. To the viewing public, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and thank you guys so much for coming on board. Take care of yourself, everyone, and I'm gonna see you again. Bye.